Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can filter your emails into Proton Mail. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to filter the emails into your Proton Mail, you first have to open the application or open the site in your browser. After opening your Proton Mail application, you will see the Search Messages option at the top. To filter, you simply have to click into that tab. From here, you can select many customizations like Search in All Mail, Inbox, Draft, Sent, and many others will also appear after clicking into other options. And if that's not enough, you can see more options by clicking on the More Search Options button. Then, you can set the date, sender's name, recipient's name, and also the addresses. After doing that, click the Search button, and then your filtered emails will appear. By following these very easy steps, you can easily filter emails into your Proton Mail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.